So again, I am revising this binary search algorithm, which is presented here in this procedure. So the return type of binary search will be the integer value, which will return the um, uh, index of the element uh, if it is searched, and it will return -1 if the element is not found in the array. And the arguments, these are called the formal arguments, as you learn in C language. So the argument in binary search algo, which is denoted by BS, are uh, integer f and integer l. Integer f represents the first index of the array. Every time we will take the sub array, and uh, integer l will represent the last index of the sub array. And first we will check whether the first index is greater than the last index. That means the array is out of bound, because if we are searching, the first index should be less than the last index, so it will return -1, okay, if first index is greater than last index. Otherwise it will not return and continue into the binary search procedure, in which the middle element uh, m is to be found by using the integer variable m. So we will add first index plus last index divided by 2, and it will return the middle element of the subarray taken by BS as global array. And if the element to be searched, which is into the variable k, okay, so if the element to, and it is also the global variable we have taken, so if k, we are checking whether k is equal to the middle element, which can be represented by am, then it will return the index of the element found at the index m. Else if it will check whether the element to be searched is more than equal to the middle element, then it will call itself recursively. If it is smaller than, then it will be into the left subarray, and the starting index of the left subarray will be first index f, and the middle index -1, m -1. Okay, so it will call BS for itself. Otherwise, it will call the binary search for the right subarray, m+1, l. So this is basically the binary search for the binary search algorithm, in which we the preliminary condition is the input array should be sorted, and if it is not sorted, it should be sorted before passing to the binary search. This is the preliminary condition, and this is the question which may be asked by many competitive examination like NET and GATE, etc. Okay, and what should be the initial call in the main function? You can we can point out here that in the main function, the initial call will have the actual argument f and l having the value 0 and n-1, where n is the number of elements. Okay, so like other algorithm we have studied earlier, quicksort and merge sort, the start index will be 0 and the last index will be size of array -1. And why it is written here int POS is equal to BSFL? Why we are not directly calling BSFL? So I am revising this thing you have learned in C language. Whenever an function have a return value, then this return value should be taken into some variable of the same type. So POS as the integer variable, which will take the return value. If element is found, then the position will be returned. Okay, here there we have written the variable m if position found, and if position is not found, -1 will be returned, which means that the this array does not contain the element to be searched. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. All the best.